This thumbnail right here got 292 million views for Mr. Beast. And what if I told you that you could easily swap his face for yours? Well, check this out. I created this exact replica thumbnail, but with me in it instead of him in less than 30 seconds. And here's just a few more examples. So here's the original, and here's my face swapped into it. Another original viral thumbnail. Here's the version of me, and one more. And here's me swapped in. And this face swapping is done with no Photoshop, no design skills needed, just the new tool inside Pikzels AI lets you swap your face automatically in less than 30 seconds. Check this next one out. The results are really good. This is the original again, and the version with my face done using Pikzels. If you're struggling to get people to click on your videos, then the fix might be improving your thumbnails. So in the next 5 minutes, I'll show you how to automatically create thumbnails just like these that get millions of views, but with your face in them instead. And here's just a few more examples before we do that so that you can see what's possible. So like I said, you do this automatically using Pikzels AI. There's a Pikzels free trial you can grab by using the link in the description to this video. And then if you decide to buy it, there's also a 50% off code in the description to this video. And once you're inside Pikzels, you first need to build a copy of your face, and then you can go on and generate your thumbnails. Now we're in Pikzels. Let's first look at how to build that copy of your face using a new feature. So we're going to head down here to this personas new feature to create the copy of your face. So let's click that. You'll see that because I've already created a copy of my face before this video, we've got this copy of my face here, Greg. But you won't see this when you first open Pikzels, and you'll just need to press this create button here to create your face copy. So let's press create. And once this next screen has loaded, the step to creating that copy of your face is as easy as just typing your name in here and then selecting like 10 to 20 images of your face and uploading them to this area. So you can see I've just selected 20 copies of my face here. I tried to have images with me expressing different emotions and also looking in slightly different directions just to give Pikzels the most possible information when creating that copy of my face. And once all that's uploaded, you just press this button down here, generate, to create your copy. That takes literally 3 to 5 minutes. And once it's finished, you'll see down here that the copy of your face has been created and you're ready to swap into any popular thumbnails that you find from YouTube. YouTubers copying viral thumbnails and using them for their own videos to also get a ton of views has been proven to work over and over again. So it's really useful being able to put your own face into a viral thumbnail, which is what I'm going to show you how to do now. So there's 2 ways to create viral thumbnail copies in Pikzels, and I'll show you how to do them both now. For both of them, we need to be in this recreate section right here. And on this screen, we just simply paste in the link to the YouTube video here that has the thumbnail we want to copy. And then we select the copy of our face down here in this persona section. So I'm just going to paste in the link to the Mr. Beast thumbnail that you saw at the start with all of those puppies. I'm going to choose the copy of my face that we've built here, Greg. And now that I'm ready to insert my face into that Mr. Beast thumbnail, I just simply press generate right here. And you'll see on screen that this just takes a little while to process that request. This usually takes maximum 30 to 60 seconds. It's surprisingly fast. And then in just a moment, we'll have our copy of that viral thumbnail, but with my face in it instead of Mr. Beast. And there we go. Look at that. In no time at all, I've had that copy of that viral thumbnail made with my face in it instead. And that was done completely automatically, which is crazy. And I want to show you something else now. If we just quickly generate another image from that thumbnail down here again, but we're going to choose medium weight down here. What this is going to do is it's going to create a copy of that Mr. Beast puppy thumbnail, but with only medium inspiration. It's not going to be an exact copy, but it's going to take a medium amount of inspiration from that original Mr. Beast thumbnail and make kind of like its own interpretation of it. There we go. Look, we got my face in there. Still, we've got puppies that are different colors. If we scroll up and look at like the original thumbnail, these puppies are all kind of like beige and white. But with only medium inspiration, we've now got beige and black puppies. And I want to try something else now. If we just do that again, I want to change the inspiration to low. And let's try changing the puppies to kittens by typing that in down here and pressing generate. And there we go. We've got our new thumbnail with my face that's loosely inspired from that original thumbnail, but has our own unique twist on it. And I actually prefer using the Pikzels this way because it means we're not directly copying thumbnails and making direct rip-offs. By taking loose inspiration from viral videos and viral thumbnails like we've done here, we're able to make our own videos using like the same concept as a successful viral video on YouTube, but with our own original twist and with our own original like packaging for it. I don't know. Some people out there just think directly copying an existing thumbnail is unethical, whereas other people have no problem with it at all. You know, you saw some examples of people doing that. I think I'm more on the side of you should take loose inspiration than doing a direct copy, but let me know what you think. You might completely disagree to me. Let me know what you think and why, if you do disagree, in the comments below. But something I think we can all agree on is the biggest YouTubers have teams and spend thousands of dollars making their own viral thumbnails. And as a smaller creator, we need to be using AI to create great thumbnails at a price we can afford, to kind of even the playing fields against these massive YouTubers. So the link to Pikzels is in the description to this video. Like I said, you get 50% off the first year if you use the codes that I put in the description to this video too. And while you're in Pikzels, as well as copying existing thumbnails, you can just generate your own thumbnail idea from scratch and make great original, completely original thumbnails. I've got a tutorial on how to do that in this video here. So make sure to watch this Pikzels tutorial next, and I'll see you in the future.